Okay, so we're going to run through how to set up a gallery so that people can buy their individual images from their locked galleries. Okay, so first of all, we go to the site panel over here, and we go to users, and what we're going to do is set up a new user. So we're going to set a new one up here. I'm going to call this person just sample. Same with the username. You can call it whatever you want though. Email, I'm just going to make this an email address up. Okay, I'm going to use the same sample for the password. And in the group it's public front end registered. You can leave this block user on no and receive emails no as well. So just click save. Okay, next stage is to go into component, and we're going here into this Fokker gallery, and we're going to category setup. So every wedding, for example, will need their own category. So we're going to generate a new one here, and title, put whatever you want in, but I'm just call this sample gallery. Okay, then here parent gallery, just leave that as it is. Access level is registered. Access rights, we're going to find the one that we've just set up here. So if we scroll down to sample, which we've just set up, so you'll set up previously whichever one you choose, but that needs to apply to the same gallery. Upload and user rights nobody, delete and publish user rights nobody, and then owner nobody. And then what we're going to do is scroll down to the owner folder and generate a new folder specifically for this job. So create a new folder. I'm going to call this sample, just so we know which ones go with which. Create folder. Okay, then select it from in here. Click that little button there, that little green downwards arrow, and that pops into the screen here, sample. That's it. So you can then go ahead and save that. Okay, what we need to do then is add images into this gallery. So if we go to the images tab here, and we want to ideally upload a whole batch in one go, so we go to the multiple add here. Okay, find your folder there. Well, first of all, let's just select the category, which is going to be sample gallery, which we've just set up. Find your sample gallery, click that to go into it. Again, we have to select this again, sample gallery. Then I'm using this Java upload. That way we can upload multiple files. You have to let this have access to it. So I'm going to press run there. Okay, so browse. I'm going to find I've set up a file on the desktop just called sample. So I'm going to press open. It gives you that alert, but it's okay. It puts everything in. Then all you have to do is choose upload, and it uploads all the files into the gallery. Let's just leave that going for a second. Almost done. Okay, all those are done. So they then pop up here. And what you want to do is you want to, again, select your gallery, sample gallery, click this button here so that it fills in all of these, so it's selecting all of these images to go into this sample gallery. You then want to press save, and what that will do will automatically generate thumbnails for it, which it's doing now. Okay, once that's done, what we need to do is to add this to basically to the cart so that you can purchase these. So what we go to next is scapegoat, and we go to add and remove. On here, all you have to do here is select the category you just generated, so that's sample gallery. It should pop up with all your options here. So what you want to do is highlight that so it selects all of them, so it selects all the images. again with the category sample gallery, then just click generate products. Okay, that's all done. Next thing we need to do is to give this add this to the user folder and say who's got access to it. So we go to user folder, menu, user menu. What we have to do is to add a new. So we're adding a new menu part. What it is we're going to again Fokker gallery there, and the one we're going to choose is category layout. This one here. Again title. I'm going to call this again sample. Ideally you want to keep the name common throughout so that everything links together so you know which one you're working with. Sample gallery. Okay, you can leave everything else as it is. Access level registered. Over here on the right, parameters basics, we just select category, and again we choose our sample gallery, and then you can save the rest. Okay, the last thing we need to do is go into our extensions module manager, find the print module, purchase prints module. So if you just type in here purchase, press go, there's only one in there, purchase print, so just click in there. And what we need to do is your gallery will pop up in the bottom there. We just need to shift click so that it selects that so that all these are available, and then just press save. Okay, and that's it. Now we're just going to preview that, go to our client area, log in with again with the details we set up in the first instance. Okay, log in there. Okay, what you'll see is in the user menu here, the various galleries available. So here's our sample gallery. You'll see these are the ones here as well, but if you click on these you'll notice that these aren't accessible. You don't have authorized access, only certain people can. So this is our one here, sample gallery, and you can see the various images you uploaded with all the various options of sizes and the prices and the quantities in here. So I'm just going to add a couple to my cart. You can see it updates here automatically. Show cart, and it pulls in all the details there. So that's it done.